to my YouTube channel, The Traveler. So today vlogs here in the camp. I would like to show you how we cooking the food, and today our planning is about to cooking the one of the favorite food in Tanzania, that is rice with beans. So I will show you every step on how we cook it. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. The Traveler. So guys, as you see here, it's just a store, and you can see some eggs, you can see some little stuff, and this is our vegetables. You can see some pepper, yellow pepper, carrots, whatever. So this also you can see some a lot. So this is the kitchen of the camp, and if you see this, you can see that the kitchen is full packed in, and this is our stove. That's one we use to cooking food for guests, and this is for stuff. As you see, the little guests, and that's I'm going to use to cook with it. And you see some matchbox. My stuff is already for starting cooking. That's local food. Yeah, so rice and beans, it's favorite dishes. You can see that our stove is already on, and I can pick some green pepper, onion and carrot. So I'm going to chop it then to start the preparation of the food. So this is my chop board, and you see I don't have a lot of spice, just green pepper. So I start with cutting the onion before other things. So this is always how we cook whenever we are in the camp. And the one of the food that I'm going to cook right now, it's very famous dishes in Tanzania. So I cook, and the next one I'll see if usiplay tu mziki sije kaleta copyright. Naambia sister. Yeah, so after finish, I will give you the result, how my fellows going to taste the food.
Tongune vikubwa unakata.
Ni vikubwa sana.
Kata vikubwa.
Hivi acha nitakuja kurudia maliza kazi yako.
Sawa. Nimalizia hapa na tutakata. Tutakata. So guys, after cut off the spice, then I'm going to start. And here I'm going to take some of the rice, rice in the store. So I'm going to take the rice and later on to put on the gas, in order to, so in the rice I can wait like 30 minutes before our rice be ready. So I take some rice and remove some dust and put in the gas. So this one, so I take 2 kilo because we are in the camp, we are 7, so 2 kilo is just enough for us. And here is how I'm going to put on, and this is our rice. So after mixing like that, I can wait for 30 minutes. Yeah, as you see, at 20 minutes, and this is how it's look like, only 10 left. And this one is our beans. Yeah, our beans. So we are ready for lunch, but otherwise, we are in the camp in the bush, so we are got some our friends here. The mangoes, this is the banded mangoes. They live in a group, we can say a family. So they working together, they stay together for finding the food, finding the water, and always, because we are in their place, that's why you can see they are roaming around, they are enjoy their lives for real. Look at them, they are very, very cute. I liking them, and I'm very happy for them. So, guys, show some love for supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe here. It's the travel. I promise that you are going to see a lot in my account. So, keep in touch. As you see, our dish, our rice is ready for eating. So, guys, our preparation of the local dish, which is rice and beans, is done, and done now. We cannot to start eating, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned to another video. So don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. The traveler here. Hello. Wow, amazing food, as you see.